Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of compact adventure and smart design with the JP Star Happy One Plus small camper. Thoughtfully engineered for efficiency and everyday usability, this compact camper redefines what's possible in a small footprint. First, let's talk about the interior. JP Star is known for its clever space utilization, and the Happy One Plus is a perfect example of that philosophy. Step inside and you'll find a surprisingly open and well-organized living space designed to maximize comfort without excess. The materials are durable and practical, featuring soft touch panels, easy-to-clean surfaces, and warm wood-style accents. The seating area converts smoothly into a sleeping space, offering a comfortable bed suitable for solo travelers or couples. A compact dining table, storage cabinets, and large windows create an airy feel inside. The kitchenette includes a small sink, portable cooking setup, refrigerator compartment, and smart storage for utensils. A compact wet area setup with essential fixtures ensures convenience, giving you everything you need for life on the road in a minimalist yet comfortable package. Now moving to the exterior, the JP Star Happy One Plus small camper embraces a clean and functional design. Its boxy yet modern shape is optimized for efficiency and ease of maneuverability, making it ideal for city streets and narrow countryside roads. The exterior features a durable paint finish designed to withstand daily use and changing weather conditions. Compact steel wheels, practical side steps, and a subtle JP Star badge complete the look. Thanks to its small size and lightweight construction, this camper is incredibly easy to park and drive, even for first-time camper owners. Every exterior element is purpose-built, reflecting its focus on simplicity, reliability, and everyday usability. When it comes to performance, the JP Star Happy One Plus is built on a compact K-class platform designed for efficiency rather than outright power. It's powered by a small displacement, fuel-efficient gasoline engine that delivers smooth and dependable performance for urban driving and relaxed highway cruising. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and uneven roads with ease. Its lightweight chassis and compact dimensions make handling effortless, while the automatic transmission ensures stress-free driving. Advanced safety and driver assist features, including parking assistance and basic collision support systems, add confidence behind the wheel. Finally, let's talk about the price. The JP Star Happy One Plus small camper is designed to be accessible, and its pricing reflects that mission. With an estimated starting price of around $35,000 to $45,000, depending on configuration and options, it offers excellent value for those looking to enter the camper lifestyle without a massive investment. The price includes the camper conversion, interior fittings, and essential amenities, making it a cost-effective solution for weekend trips, daily use, or long-term minimal travel. It's an ideal choice for buyers who want freedom and flexibility without luxury-level pricing. To sum up, the JP Star Happy One Plus small camper delivers a smart balance of compact design, everyday practicality, and efficient performance. Whether you're exploring city outskirts, scenic countryside routes, or weekend getaways, the Happy One Plus offers simplicity, reliability, and comfort in a perfectly sized package. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.